The Mistakes People Make, episode 45. Tell me. The other day I heard someone answer their phone in English saying, "Tell me." The shock of it almost killed me. We don't say "tell me" when we answer the phone. It's a simple translation error, no big deal. When you think dígame in Spanish instead of saying "tell me" in English, try saying hello instead. Just a simple hello is all you need. Or say hello any way you like. Hello, 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 hello. Not tell me. Nigel always answers the phone while holding a balloon. If he doesn't like the way the conversation is going, he pops the balloon and says he's been shot. Well played, Nigel. Well played. Yes and you. Inspiring learning.